If someone will ask you what are the top DAX functions in Power BI, you can tell confidently calculate, filter, related, SUMX, and all. So we can see one by one. Calculate. Calculate is the most important DAX function in our Power BI. Okay. It will change filter context and perform the calculations. So what is the example of calculate function? If you see, if I want to calculate a total sales for west region, so what is the formula or what is the DAX? We can write calculate sum sales amount sales region equal to west. Means what is the filter part here? Sales region equal to west. Calculate function is used for a conditional calculation, time intelligence calculations, advanced measures, and filter manipulation. So second is the filter function. It returns a filtered table. So what is the syntax? Filter table plus condition. Okay. So what is the DAX? We can write with the help of filter function. Calculate sum of sales amount, filter table, column name, and the condition. Right. So filter function, where we can use the filter function inside the calculate to write a complex filtering conditions, to write a dynamic calculations, right? So what is the related function? Related function fetches the value from related tables using a relationship. Means example, if you want to get a department name from employee table, right? So what is the syntax of department related table? Is related uh, in bracket department name. So if employee and department table are related, right? This pulls the department name. So where we can use a related function, okay, within a to create a calculate column within a star schema model in dimension lookups. So fourth is a SUMX function. It is a iterated function. It's perform a row by row calculations. Okay. What is the syntax of SUMX function? SUMX sells quantity, sum of quantity into sales price. Okay. So SUMX function where we can use to use if you want to calculate row by row calculations, if you want to calculate weighted averages, if you want to calculate custom calculations, right, custom aggregations, there we can use a SUMX function. So what is the all function? All function removes all the filters. So when we can use all functions, when you want to create a percentage of totals, right? Means where you can use the all functions if you want to find out a grand total, if you want to find out a grand total percentage, if you want to ignore slicers and filters, right? If this video is helpful for you, so then please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned with Learn with Vivek. Thank you.